Ja Sadila ntangu nge mwana bagala nzuma desiberi agana ni yembiri kyau na yembiri yau nge mwana baga fumbuka kutolo watomba mbongo nge lamba mwamba lamba toba na tombulaka wafinka mfundi wafinka mfundi na lamba mwamba lamba supwe na tombolaka wafinka mfundi bimba.
Can you actually taste heaven? Cosmic Crisp. Heavenly taste.
Munsongi ambe nsonge la njila inilanda Munsongi la njila 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 Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Gana bandu butabachika na kutela Samu moshukwa unkwamisa Niwa mabuta Kabu njisisansa bala Choma mbukwamba kiri Heka kulukwa shitaka kudema kako Mwana ngele kwa mye Sima unini mega Alabagu bobo Alabagu bobo Alabagu bobo Mwana ngele kwa mye Sima unini mega Alabagu bobo Alabagu bobo Alabagu bobo Munsongi la njila 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 Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Nkumbu shitani ya itatu mansangu munzo Kani mwana mamba bambakila mbakiri mambu Kanibala bandonga kwa bansukurila mbakiri mambu Eka nibala ni kipo ni longo ni biko ni bakala ni lando Chima kwanye Chima unwini mweka Alabagu bobo Alabagu bobo Alabagu bobo Mwana ngele kwa mye Sima unwini mweka Alabagu bobo Alabagu bobo Alabagu bobo Najika Nayebesa Nalwika Kabuta bako Kanilumbu Nsalambanza Munsongi la njila 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 Mwana ngele kwa mye Sima unwini mega Alabagu bobo Alabagu bobo Alabagu bobo Mwana ngele kwa mye Sima unwini mega Alabagu bobo Alabagu bobo Yeti maulini menga balabaku bobo balabaku bobo balabaku bobo.
Hello. Communicate in English easily. Use Grammarly and feel confident with effective communication. Grammarly ensures you communicate clearly with fluency suggestions tailored specifically for you.
Mama ngana nzila mama lemba nakota kwani kusangi mama lemba kusangi nikota nje chamusu nimbala bangu ni mama lemba nabala malombo ni kwetombe nabala bimpompolo mama lemba mboko gana banda gana geti ko cha mama lemba ni gana nitekela mwa mamba nti walla nitomba mama lemba nje na lamba mwana yake chamuzuna zoza yumanje nina lamba mwana yake mboko na balaba malombo ni kwetombe na mwamfungu ni kwetombe kana teko gana nchiwe gana walla mama lembe mama ngana njila tolokolo jako mama lembe chiwalla nzadiambuka yelemenenaga ndekusomamba diambu dikayemenenaga ndekusomamba ni diambu jantoto ubungu ntoto wega ndekusomamba wena chototo na lubutu diambu ni dio kayemenenaga ndekusomamba mamba menana dzunu cho nicho chigana kalamu kubantu bunwa mamba dzunu chanchima chikotele nkelo wo ulutawa utakelo muka chena teko cha malemba chekumbamu teko china che bonso kento mukento ebuta zolota ni mwando fiafiechi mboko nkelo wa malemba c'est une petite source qui étanche la soif des bêtes et des hommes. Talatin kelo wa malemba iwo gana kadzunu kubishimba mu eka bo beto bansoni titaba mori antiwo wanla wayemene na gande ko sonkelo ni wagana mbutu jina ni jina jisansa kama kanda manka makulu momega na chibelo china
Don't dilly-dally. Get on, Bally!
Mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala salambu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala salambu aja mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala salambu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala salambu aja. L'arbre sacré de Tata Malanda Mokurwa Koma qu'il donnait aux sorciers n'a pas pu finir le kundu. Mumpamba wondele bantu. Est-ce que beto kundu tatu kwa misa? Yachi ka kundu ako. Bisalu doneno sari tabokesa. Yachi sala kwa tutatombe ngati tanunga. Ambe salu chitukule. Mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala. Salambu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala. Salambu aja mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala. Salambu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala. Salambu aja nti wankasa walemba kana mumanisa kundu mpandu kampandu shiyokele akundu ninchi ni muntu wokwenda akundu mayela mama bote ambaka mpandu nambe mpandu ni muntu wowe misigu mora masamba mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala. Salambu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala. Salambu aja mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala. Salambu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala. Salambu aja ritata yekwa Kongo jatangulu jata Kongo jatangulu jata Kongo jatangulu jata Kongo jatangulu jata Pota Sabulungelangela Pota Sabulungelangela Pota Sabulungelangela Mama Bale Ewa Oniva Mama Lika ya buboni Mama Lika ya buboni aha akote shaba mamdo dabana wakase bina bongochi Kongo jatangulu jata Kongo jatangulu jata Kongo jatangulu jata Kongo jatangulu jata
Don't dilly-dally. Get on, Bally!
Kulukutu mama nsunga kudia kulumvoya mama nsunga kudia kulukutu mama nsunga kudia kulumvoya mama nsunga kudia kulukutu mama nsunga kudia kulumvoya mama nsunga kudia kutubele betu kubatubula bantu meso Kutubele beto kubatubula bantu meso Kutubele beto kubatubula bantu meso Ngengele ya mabwini ya Ngengele bakala wa ijiri
Gengele ya mabwidia.
bakala wa ijiri
Gengele ya mabwidia.
lukolele mwat
Gengele tukolele kweto ya.
lukolele mwat
Gengele tukolele kweto ya. Gengele ya mabwidia. Gengele ya mabwidia.
Genge ya mabwiria genge ya mabwiria ntangu ifweni bakala wishiri ntangu ifweni ngoma zibieta ne kunagata beto bansoni toka munsai wa bakala wishiri kange ufiri toko chitoko landie amenge ufiri toko ba munsai
Gengele ya mabwidia. Gengele ya mabwidia. Gengele ya mabwidia.
bakala wa ijiri
Gengele ya mabwidia.
bakala wa ijiri
Gengele ya mabwidia.
lukolele mwatu
Gengele tukolele kweto ya.
kinini mpangala kulelele mpangala tata Michelle wena ntandu tata Michelle wiziri ntangu ifweni yandi wena ntandu abuame nchinga neti abuame na bile ko bishiri nandi na mbongo kayesala beto bansoni to kamunzai bakento kangeno lele china muna chine eka bakento kokwa luyamba zale chineno
Gengele ya mabwidia. 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 Gengele ya mabwidia.
bakala wa ijiri
Gengele ya mabwidia.
lukolele mwatu
Gengele tukolele kweto ya.
Mama lemba mama ngana nzila mama lemba nakota kwani kusangi mama lemba kusangi nikota njecha muzuni bala bankuni mama lemba na bala malombo ni kwetombe na bala dimpompolo mama lemba mboko gana banda gana yete kocha mama lemba ni gana nitekela mwa mamba ichi wala 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 wamena kuninitomba mama lemba nje ninalamba mwana yake chamuzuna zoza yumanje ninalamba mwana yake mboko na bala malombo ni kwetombe na mwamfumbu ni kwetombe gana teko gana chuwe gana wala wala mama lembe amama ngana njila tolokolo diaku mama lembe Chiwala nsadiambu kayele menena ande kosomamba diambu dikaye menena ande kosomamba ni diambu diantoto mukungu ntoto wega ande kosomamba wena chototo na lukutu diambu ni joka ye menena ande kosomamba mamba menana tunu cho ni cho chilana kalamu kubantu Mamamba Zunu chanchima chipotele Nkelo wa utakelo moka Chena teko cha malemba che kumbamu Teko china che bosonkento Mukento ebuta zolota Ni mwanto fiafiechi Koko Nkelo wa malemba Nkelo wa utakelo moka Wa malemba C'est une petite source qui étanche la soif des bêtes et des hommes. Talachinkelo amalemba ni owana kazuno kubishimbamu. E kabo beto bansoni chitaba moria chiwowana. Wayemene na ande kosonkelo ni wana mutu. Mbutu jina ni jina jisansa kamakanda manka makulu momera na tibelo jina Nous allons accueillir la légende Georges Brassens dans l'Auvergnat. Ah, tout le monde a parlé. Comme ça. Ndumba mushenza samu kanji kwa kani mushikanga kani. Ah, nebula pamoja. Ndumba mushenza samu kanji kwa kani mushikanga kani. Elle est à toi cette chanson. Toi l'Auvergnat qui sans façon m'a donné 4 bouts de bois. Pendant ma vie il faisait froid. Toi qui m'as donné du feu.
Yeah, I'm in class.
Les croquantes et les croquants, tous les gens bien intentionnés m'avaient fermé la porte au nez.
Ame tulikuwa tia twabikeke kani toto na lungira yati lolu kumate wa ukumumema me okukuminaka tia tonsai.
Toi l'Auvergnat quand tu mourras, quand les croque-morts t'emportera, qu'ils te conduisent à travers ciel au Père éternel. Elle est à toi cette chanson. Toi l'hôtesse qui sans façon m'a donné 4 bouts de bois. Quand dans ma vie il faisait faim. Toi qui m'ouvris ta huche quand les croquantes et les croquants, tous les gens bien intentionnés s'amusaient à me voir jeûner.
Ame tulikuwa tia twabikeke kani toto na lungira yati lolu kumate wa ukumumema me
Tokolonga Mona mère Rogatien Milord Garo Marca Mama. C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous.
Yambote. Ngizambote, welcome. If you are watching, we thank you. This is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, it's Congo Kinshasa and Congo Brazzaville. Tata David is coming soon. Oh, well, yeah, okay. Let us wait for Tata David. Oh, we are going to learn. To learn. We want to speak, to talk. Tata David should be coming back soon. Tata is not here. Yambote. Oh, Tata David. Tata David. Oh, Tata David. Okay, let me try to display my file. There's my file. Bear with me, please, if you're watching. Sorry. Let me see. Yes, we are learning Kikongo. How should I put it? Kikongo is dying. If you think that Kikongo is not going to die, it's a big mistake. Kikongo is dying. Let me try to display. Okay, here you are. Children who are born in Congo area. I mean Congo. When I say Congo area, I mean Congo, North Angola and Congo Central and Congo Brazzaville. Children, kids are not speaking Congo. Kids are not speaking their mother tongue, so there's no future for the language. So we are fighting that. Bear with me. Who is my father? Is there? Okay. That's hopefully here soon. Okay, this is Papa Kunzika, Emmanuel Kunzika. This is Kikongo. The book is about Kikongo proverbs. We have some of them. I mean, in total, there are 1,050 proverbs. So this is just a sample. So, Tata David is here.
Yes, sorry, I got called away.
Nah, don't worry. Come on, Tata David. Tata David, how are you?
Okay, tired. It's been a long morning already.
Oh.
The day is just beginning. That's how it is sometimes.
Thank you for your time, Tata David.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's fun today.
Yeah, Tata Ale won't come today because there's some activities with the kids. So
Okay.
He's busy. Okay. As I said last time, now we should be talking. Tata David, yeah? Small talk, of course. Yeah? Small maths, mustard, small talk. So, verb color is in English. Color. Remember color? Verb color is
To be.
Well done. Yes, bravo. Verb color is to be, and color ye.
Okay.
To have.
Yes, to have. Okay.
Color to be, color ye. You have your color. Well done. You just add the ye. I mean hyphen ye. Yes. Color ye to have. Okay. Now, today we're going to focus, same thing in terms of saying how we are, how are you, but because of variants, we have to. This is one of, I think it's Damba, maybe in Angola variant. It's hard to judge, Tata David, because when it's a variant, you could say this variant for this area, but when you go to the other area, sometimes they do the same thing. They say the same things, Tata David, or even Tata David. So you can't really trust. I mean, put a line, so that this is for those people that know. Let's say we've been learning yeto. Yeto, it's okay. Try to follow me. Yeto is this side, Angola side. But having said that, I'm not really correct because they are part of Angola, Kikongo Angola area. They speak Beto, and the other side of Congo Kinshasa speak Beto. Yes.
Yes.
I mean, it is the same kingdom. I don't like saying that we. I mean, it is the same language, so we are going to focus on. Are you able to conjugate the verb kala?
Yeah, I still am working on conjugation at a pretty basic level. Since I've had to, I really apologize.
You're right. Yeah, don't worry. You're rusty. You're rusty. Yeah, no worry. No worries. So verb kala, ngina, una, kena, tuna, luna, bena. Yeah, yes. Ngina, una, kena, tuna, luna, bena. So,
have you sent us a handout that has those laid out in that way?
I did in past. I did in past. You have it. That's why I have stopped to keep writing. I mean, we got a lot in terms of documents.
Yes.
That's why we need to focus on speaking. Yeah, speak. Otherwise, we will be going round and round and round.
Hello.
You don't want that. So ngina, una. Let me try to help you here. I want to simply make it easy for you. Gina, una, tuna, luna, Gina, una, tuna, bena. Una, luna, Gina, una. Here you are, Tata David, yes? So pattern, remember plural, you have the pattern, Tata David, yeah? Two luba, yes?
Yes.
Two luba, it depends on, I don't know how to define it, but beuba, the third plural. Ngina, una, kena. Nzimbu in Kikongo means money. Tata David, yes?
Yes.
I'm going to test you. I have money. So you have your verb there. Remember this is kala.
Except to have is kalaye.
Well done, yes. Just say, I have money. How do you say that? I have money. Easy. Just put nzimbu is money.
Zimbu.
Make it easy.
Kalaye ngina.
You have your verb, your kalaye is your have to have. So You have your first person there on the screen, Tata David?
Yes, Gina.
Yeah, well done. Gina plus something because it's to have.
Gina Kalaye Zimbu.
Don't worry about Kala is the infinitive, the verb to be. Kalaye is to have. So I have money. Just Gina, yes, plus something. Gina, yeah, go ahead. Gina, yes.
And money you say is Zimba?
Zimbu. Gina, yeah. Gina, go ahead. Gina, yes.
Okay.
Then Gina.
Gina Kalaye Zimbu.
Don't worry about Kala. Kala is infinitive. So you're going to conjugate. So we'll talk about Kalaye. Kala is a verb to be.
Yes.
First person on your screen, Tata David.
Gina.
To have is Kalaye. Yes, Gina. Yes, something else. Gina. Zimbu, the last thing, but Gina. Gina, yeah. In Zimbu.
So all we need is the ye?
Yeah.
So, Gina ye Zimba.
Yeah, it's the verb to have now, yes? Because you have ye. You have ye.
Gina ye Zimbu.
Yes, I have money in Gina and Zimbu. Yes. I won't ask you how much.
Okay. No, I thought I needed to use the entire Kala ye.
No, remember, Kala is the infinitive. Kala means to be. Yeah, your infinitive Kala is your verb to be. Kala ye. Remember, Kala hyphen, yes? Kala ye is to have. So I have money. Gina and Zimbu. We just want to make it simple, yes? Gina and Zimbu.
Gina and Zimbu.
Yes. Some people would say, you could say Zimbu Gina Zao, but forget that, put aside. We don't want to make our lives hard, no? Make it easy.
So if I want to say he has money or she has money, I would start with Wuna, right?
You're right. Even third person, in this case, it is Kikongo. So linguists keep saying, and they're right, put words in a sentence, otherwise you won't understand correctly. Yes? If I say, Unai and Zimbu, you have money, I wouldn't say Kena in this case, although Kena is your third, but you will say Wuna. Remember Wuna, either you have Wuna twice, second and third, or Kena for third. Yes?
Oh, okay. So Okena instead of just...
Yeah, that's why it's always wise. It's a good habit to use mono ngeye yandi. Remember that if I say yandi una and Zimbu, although you see una for the first, second, third, because yandi is there, we know that it's third person. Yandi una and Zimbu.
Okay.
Correct.
Not an obvious change.
Yes, but linguists, I keep saying this is Kikongo anyway, Bantu language. Yes. Okay. I'm not. Now I'm going to give you another version. Let's call it version. Another version of. How are you? I'm fine. Keep in mind, Gina Wuna, that will help a lot. Wambotengina. Mbote is how to translate. It depends on the sentence context. Mbote means good, well. If I say Wambotengina, can you try to translate it into English, of course.
Mhm.
Wambote ngina. Mbote means well, good, something good. Always depends on your the sentence, the context. Wambote ngina. Just the keyword here, the hint here is your ngina. Yes? Wambote
Yeah,
ngina.
for first person.
Yeah, wambote ngina. So we're talking about the verb kala then. Wambote ngina. Translation,
So,
please.
yeah, so you would be saying, I am well.
Very, very, very well. Well done, bravo. Yes. So, I mean, in general, we always say, "Unama VP." Okay, Nginama VP. Fine. Nginama VP means I am, but this is a bit formalish. Not formal. Let's say formal because people are formal. Wambote une. Yes, I'm asking the question. Same question as it is like something as Lunama Vimpi. Wambote una. Always remember when you say Lunama Vimpi, it is a second plural because Congo people very formal. You could say Unama Vimpi. It's correct. Of course, correct. Una second singular. Yes.
Yes.
Unama Vimpi, Nginama Vimpi. Lunama Vimpi, Tunama Vimpi. But Congo people are very formal. So when I say Wambote ngina, well done. I'm fine. I'm well. Question. Now, I'm trying to think of, because this is Kikanga, many people say it a different way. Okay. Tata David, Wambote una.
Wambote ngina.
Well done. Yeah, in this case, we have, the pitch, our high speech is your, remember, just it's a question mark. Well done. Wambote ngina.
Say ingeta Wambote ngina or elo.
Yeah. Well done. Yeah, bravo. Yeah, we got it. Well done. So now remember, now we're playing we're using Akena. We're talking about the third person. Wambote kene. Remember the A Kikongo. And your answer we're asking about someone else. Wambote kene.
Elo Wambote kena.
Très bien. I'm speaking French. He has all languages. French, Lingala, Kikongo, Portuguese, English. Okay. Yeah, Wambote Kena. Wambote Lune. Remember, you have to answer. Please answer on behalf of the crowd. Yes.
Wambote tuna.
Yeah, well done. Wambote bene. Remember, third plural, but Wambote bene.
Elo Wambote bena.
Well done, Dave. Now, something you are familiar with is remember. Let me just remind you. Emphatic. Remember emphatic pronoun. Emphatic. Made of KW, your prefix, then ame, aku, so on.
Yeah. The emphatics.
Emphatics. Just remember, your prefix is KW, K. Then remember, just you add ame, aku, andi. Yes. Okay.
So then I could say Wambote kwame. Or yeah, I'm really.
Okay, well, carry on. You're missing something. Wambote kwame. There's no verb there. Wambote kwame. First singular. Is there on your screen? First person, yeah. Wambote kwame. We're talking about verb to be. Verb kala.
Yeah.
Wambote kwame.
Wambote kwame ngine.
Yes. Wambote kwame ngina. this is this is a good Kikongo because I have with me. I got notes from grammar Congo grammar book. Very important, very nice one. Okay, Wambote. Okay, here we have to pause a bit. Wambote kwa mengina. Hang on. Wambote kwa mengina. Okay. This is no, it's okay. Let me go back because we need to correct this. So Wambote ngina, Wambote una, Wambote kena, Bambote tuna. Yes. Plural, yeah. Bambote tuna, Bambote luna, Bambote bena. Yes.
Okay.
So correction there. Bambote ngina, Wambote una, Bambote kena, Bambote tuna, Bambote luna, Bambote bena.
Okay, so do we only use the two then, Wambote and Bambote?
Yes, but Wambote singular, yes. Wambote singular, plural, from the first plural, Bambote tuna, yes. But a bit of shift here. That's so when you're using emphatic, you keep your tuluba, yes.
Okay.
Wambote kwa mengina, Wambote kwa kuuna, Wambote kwa andikena, Tuambote kwa tuna, Luambote kwa luna, Bambote kwa obena. Remember, I'm saying toi is TW, but U is hidden there. Take it as a U, yes? Same principle, Tuluba always. Luambote, Tuambote kwa tuna, Luambote kwa luna, Bambote kwa obena. Just remember, when it comes to emphatic, think of Tuluba, although it sounds toi, it is two. Tuambote tuna, tuambote ko sorry, tuambote ko te luna, luambote ko no luna, bambote kwa obena. Question 30.
Yeah, why do we use quao only before the bena?
You mean in plural?
Yeah.
Tuambote.
Yeah, because well, no. Okay, I see.
Now, when you're using emphatic, you go back to the standard tuluba, tuambote, cueto. Remember to, cueto. Eto is your suffix, yes? As, we. Luambote, cueno. Eno, remember suffix eno.
Yes.
You many. So you go luambote, cueno. Lumbote, Lu, luambote, cueno. Then bambote, kwao. That's the yes.
Okay.
Okay, question. What was the question? Just remember, when you have emphatic plural, you have tuluba. Although it should sound toi. It is true still.
Okay.
Yes. When you have emphatic, yes. Yes. When you're not using emphatic, just remember wa singular, ba plural from your first bambote tuna, bambote luna, bambote. Tata David, luna ma vimpi, eh?
Hello, tuna ma vimpi.
Yes. Now I want you to answer me. You could either use Wambote, yeah, it's same thing. There's no difference. Yes,
Right.
Luna vipi?
Wambute Ngina.
Yeah, because I'm asking you many. I mean, this is formal. Luna, and you should answer TU Tuna. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And the accent, is it Wambote or Wambote?
Wambote Ngina, yes. Yeah, good question, because Kikongo is Congo. Tono language, some variants, accent is different, but what we have in common is I didn't say that in past. What we have in common is long vowel. Any variant. When it says Sala Kiambote, we know that you mean stay well. Sala, work. So we have this in common. Any variant we have. I've forgotten what else. Okay. Yes. So I'm just going to ask you the standard question, but you used your emphatic tentative, yes?
Yes.
Lunama vimpi, because you're going to use okay, let me make it this. Wambote Luna, give me give me the answer.
Okay, so I could just say Wambote Tuna.
Wambote Tuna it's correct. Bambo, be careful. If there's no emphatic for all plural, you have ba ba ba. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Because you're not using emphatic, you keep ba 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 for all plural. If you're using emphatic, you shift to Tuluba. Is it clear?
Oh, okay.
So in this case, you answer Bambote Tuna. If you're using emphatic, can you say can you use emphatic?
Yeah.
How would it be?
Yeah. Bambote Kwao Luna? No, Tuna.
Yes, but Tuluba, you drop Tuluba. Tuambote Kwete Tuna.
Oh, okay. So it would be Bambote Cueto Tuna then.
Tuambote Kwete Tuna. As long as you have emphatic. If there's emphatic, you have to use the Tuluba. Tuambote Kwete Tuna. Luambote Kweno Luna. Bambote Kwa Obena. Yes.
Okay.
You're a brave man, well. So
yeah, it's there's a lot of ways to keep track of. Yeah.
So, okay, let me try to formulate my question. It is easy. Wambote una Saturday. Wambote una. No. Don't worry about emphatic. Wambote una.
Yeah, Wambote Ngina.
Yes, well done. Yes. Be careful. Think twice. Plural. No emphatic. Wambote Luna. You answer on the behalf. You answer for the crowd. Yes. Wambote Luna.
Bambote
Tuna. Yes, well done. Bambote Tuna. Yes, well done. No emphatic.
Right.
Now we shift into we shift gear here. We're going to emphatic. Wambote Luna. You answer on behalf of the crowd. Wambote Luna. Emphatic Tatadevi.
Yeah.
Tuluba, in this case Tuluba. Wambote Luna. Toi.
Bambote.
No, in this case, because we use emphatic, Tuambote Kwete Tuna.
Tuambote, okay. Tuambote Kwena Luna.
No, but Tuambote Kwete Tuna.
Bambote Kweta.
Tuambote kwetu tuna.
Yeah. Bambote Kwetu tuna.
Yes. Just remember, Tuambote. It is tumbote kwetu tuna, but it should sound this is Kigango. It sounds tuambote kwetu tuna, but it is in terms of grammar, it is two. Luambote kwenu luna. Remember, Kwame, in fact, Kwame, can you carry on that? Kwame.
For
the second singular. Just remember your suffix.
Yeah. Kuna.
Kwaku.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I had forgotten.
Your prefix is KW.
Kwaku, okay, Kwaku and then Kweto.
Kwandi, Kweto, well done. Kweto first plural, third plural, first singular, Kwandi, Kweto, Kweno, Kwao. Yes, that is. Emphatic. You have your suffixes. You have your ame, aku, andi, eto, eno, au. Just add. Yes. Put your prefix, first your prefix, Kwame, Kwaku, Kwandi, Kweto, Kweno, Kwao. Now, question. Okay, let me just help here. I'll make it easy. Because my question will carry emphatic. You know that you have to answer emphatic as well. Luambote kwenu luna, Tata David. Luambote kwenu luna. So you Luambote kwenu luna.
So Tuambote
Kweto
tuna.
Yes, just remember your ame akwandi, your suffixes. Bambote kwa ubena. You just answer as it is. Just repeat my sentence. Bambote kwa
Bambote kwao
bena. Yes.
Bambote kwao bena.
Yes. Jambote Tata Davis. So we carry on next week. Tata. Well done. Yes. Just remember, it's up to you. If I ask you a question, Wambote una, you could answer giving me your emphatic. My question, Wambote una or Wambote kwa mengina. Yes.
Yeah, right. I could say Wambote kwa mengina or simply
Wambote ngina. Yes. Just remember when you have emphatic for the plural side, emphatic, it is tuambote, lambote, bambote. Well, we leave it at today. Let us call it today. Well done. It is a mother tongue. It is dying, yes. We need to fight back. It is dying.
Yeah.
Okay, Tata David, questions. Otherwise, we're done for today. Thank you very much for your time.
Okay. Do you I know you want to get us away from paper, but if you have a handout that will help me remember the various forms of the emphatic, that would be great.
Okay. Good task. I can't promise. I need to go back and find this file. Yes.
Okay. Gina, Wuna, Kena, Tuna, Luna, Bena.
Well done. This is the verb kala. Then to have, carry on same conjugation. Then kala to have nginaye, gunaye, gunaye. Third person and the second same thing. Gunaye, tunaye, lunaye, benaye.
Okay. Tutondele.
Thank you very much, brave Tata David. Wow. Tutondele, thank you for your time. Do call it Makonzo, yeah? Kunda Makonzo.
Makonzo.
Let me just Makonzo. Kunda Makonzo. Kunda Makonzo. Kunda. Let me just read the full sentence. Kunda Makonzo means to bow. Yes. I mean, just respect, to bow. This is like Japanese greeting. Yes, they do this. Remember, Kunda Makonzo. The Japanese greeting. Yeah, Kunda Makonzo. Kunda Makonzo. Because you're not clapping, remember, yeah? You're not clapping, yes?
Yes.
You're not clapping. It's not like this. It is. Yes? Can I hear the sound? You're not clapping.
Yeah, it's different.
Yes. We're not clapping here. Yes. We are bowing. We worship. I mean, you understand? You understand me, Sir David? Okay, Kiambote, Bambote Luna. See, you answer the question, David. They're asking you. Bambote Luna.
Wambote Ngina.
Yeah, Wambote Ngina, or you could answer Bambote Tuna, yes, because he's using second plural, yes.
Right. So
Bambote Luna, yes.
Bambote Tuna.
Yes. 210 Tata Davis. When the gambo did that.
Sala Cambote.
210, you.
Timba, Kaimbe Shetemba, Ira, Papi Salomo, Villiers-Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Masuti, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Kalaba. Sorry, Nicolo. Mamalandu. Agua Kumpo. Philippe Kamango. Lemba Masagila. Zozoru Kanu. Mutukuila yaya. Paul Guyamba.
Politiza Keita Kulama
Serge Ngodo na San Diego.
Kija utu free na ngeli ya josa na gidi kwe